we prepare for our silage production, ito po ang isa sa dalawang makina na na-acquire natin ngayon so that we can actually share silage with other farmers who are far away from our area of operations. Makikita nyo, yung mga naputulan na silage, kinakain ng makina na ito, and then after about 1 or 2 minutes, automatic, naka-bale na, nakatali na. And then pagkatapos nyan, meron siyang equipment na binabalot ng plastic yung silage. So in this way, ma-preserve yung silage at saka mas maganda ito ng mas madaling matransport. So ito po yung mga modern technology sa silage making na nakita natin na pwede natin gamitin so that we could share silage with other farmers.